Did you know that sometimes the most reliable tenants are the ones you should fear most? Maria thought she had the perfect basement tenant. 6 months of automatic rent payments, never late, never complained. But when she realized she hadn't seen them in months, she went to check. The basement door was welded shut from the inside. She checked the bank records. The payments came from an account belonging to someone who died in a car accident 8 months ago. Security cameras showed no one entering or leaving the basement for months, but she could hear movement down there, running water. Something was alive. When Maria finally cut through the welded door, she found the basement flooded with blood. Not just any blood. Lab tests showed it matched 12 different missing persons from the area. The basement connected to an underground river system. Something had been using her property as a disposal site, automatically paying rent from its victims' accounts to keep her away. The payments are still coming. Maria moved out last week,